Hello guys, it's Castek here and hope you are doing good. So today's video about the new company HiveTRX.com is the website name. So guys, I'll give you all detail about this company, mean how we can deposit, withdrawal and sign up. So guys, please watch my video till end. So before starting the video, I have a little request for if you never subscribe my YouTube channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and also give me the huge thumbs up on my this video. So let's guys go and begin the video. First of all, you have to create your account in this company. Put your email address, your password, your security password in confirm your this page, and after that we have to put invite code and click on the registration number. So after completing the registration, go for the login and sign in your account. So after completing the sign in, so guys, they are giving the latest announcement from them. There is some disclaimer and detail of this website. Close this. So guys, we have received 10,229 TRX in our account. So guys, we can never withdraw that amount directly to our wallet. First of all, we have to activate our account through doing the deposit, and after that we have to take the withdrawal according to our limit. So let's see the deposit withdrawal share map logout option is showing on that interface. So I already have deposit 30 TRX on this platform to activate my account. So let's see the wallet. So I commission is also over now zero. Join to be a tour millionaire. So just see the platform data display. Membership is also growing very awesome. About us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of buying for Bitcoins, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. So both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So let's see the global partners is WazirX, CoinDCX, and FTX, Kraken, KuCoin, Hobby, and the Binance, the official partners of this company. So guys, go for the now deposit and deposit your money. So I already deposited 30 TRX in this platform to activate my account. So after completing the activation, go for the login and sign in your account. So guys, again, copy the address and send the payment to him through this address. So please do not TRX deposit other than T, so it will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after charging. So if you have not arrived in your account for a long time, please refresh the page, and minimum recharge is 5 TRX. Less than 5 TRX cannot be credited. So if you have any question, please contact the customer service as well. So you can also contact the customer service if you not received your deposit for a long time. So after that, you have to click on the recharge complete. So instantly you receive your deposit in the website. So again, go for the back, and let's see the withdrawal sections. Before seeing the withdrawal, go for the transaction. So transaction we have received 5.76% cloud mining working trading profit 24-hour settlement for the average. So guys, you can withdraw that amount. Company mine 7.75.76%. So you can receive all the profit in that section. You can click on the receive button after receiving, and account will be credited automatically through your deposit. So now guys, go for the level plans. So they are providing the basic level, guide level, and virtual level to them. So let's see the VIP 1.5 TRX to 10,000 TRX deposit quantity. Income is 5.76% and daily withdrawal is 2.88%. So VIP 2 plan, if you want to invest more than 10,000 TRX and above 50,000 TRX, you will receive income is 7.76%. Daily withdrawal is 3.88%. So VIP 5 level super level is also 5 lakh TRX to unlimited 10 billion above. So 19.76% is the cloud daily income and 9.88% for the daily withdrawal. So now let's go for the back, and let's see the share section. So guys, you can gain good profit from the company using the referrals. So copy the copy the referral link and send the link to your followers, your family members, your investors. So if she invest from your referral, you will also receive the good income from them. So you can withdraw that amount directly to your wallet without any deposit and without any commission. So guys, make the referrals now and enjoy the free money. So now guys, go for the mine section. We have received 30 TRX in our deposit quantity. I already deposited 30 TRX. So total balance is 10,029 TRX. Team finance record transfer to basic. So let's see the transfer to basic account section. If you want to send the money to commission amount to the basic account. So first of all, you have to close this. Put your email, quantity, your number, and after that you have to confirm. So instantly you will receive your amount in the basic section. That is a very simple method. So now guys, go for the withdrawal and withdraw your money. So daily withdrawal limit is 0.86 TRS. So first of all, you have to click on the recharge complete. Close this section. So put amount 0.86 TRX. So I have to put my amount 0.86 TRX. After that, you have to put your email. your TRX address. So I already deposit, sorry, copy my TRX address. So go for the again side section. So copy that address. I already copied my address in that file. So copy paste the address there and confirm it. So guys, instantly you receive your withdrawal successfully option is received. Today remaining withdrawal is 0. Daily withdrawal limit is 80 if 0.86 TRX. So we can withdraw 0.80 TRX 86 TRX daily from this company. So guys, that is my video and hope you all guys enjoy my video. So enjoy, so please like my video and also subscribe my channel. So let's guys make meet in the next video. Goodbye.